how to find conversation tone settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find conversation tone settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find this 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find chats and not chats, this one, notifications. Just click on it, and as you see here you will find conversation tones. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, one click, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.